Meanwhile, the engineering staff of SKYLINE GT gave birth to R380, the first prototype racing car of Japan.
JA 派遣の競技会役員の審査のもとに、日産 R380 による50キロから200マイルの7種目の E クラス国際新記録の入賞を目指しております。
In 1966, R380 beat Porsche 906 at the third Japan Grand Prix race opened at Fuji Speedway. On October the 7th of the following year, it challenged the international speed record at YATABE test course. Then, R380 achieved the new international speed record of 256.09 kilometers for the maximum speed per hour, as well as the average speed per hour at the 100-mile and 200-mile distances. Thus, R380 proved that Japan's car production techniques had already reached the highest level in the world.